ChopCast review and back office demo. Many of you may know I love video, and for me, it's always really hard to be able to chop up my videos and get them ready for social media so that I can get some more attention, more eyes on my video, because it takes a lot of time. So today we're going to go ahead and do a review and a back office look at ChopCast, and that it really doesn't look like much, but we're going to go ahead and look at it. Right now, ChopCast does have an Appsumo lifetime deal. They are running a couple of tiers. They have it running at $89 for tier 1. It's $169 for tier 2 and $299 for tier 3. Now, the only difference between these is the amount of minutes you have for the upload. So it has all of the features above, but you have 180 minutes of upload per month, 360 or 1200. And what it includes is, it says that it is an alternative to Descript, which I use Descript daily, so we'll see how good that is. And it's made for content creators, marketers, podcasters, for people who use YouTube, and it also has some AI features. So with this one here, basically you drag and drop your video and it cuts it up into different short videos. Excuse me. And you have the ability to have it resized to 1:1, which is a square, 16:9, which is like YouTube landscape, and then 9:16, which is a portrait for the short videos for social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Reels, stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and dive in right now. There's really not a lot of stuff in here that I saw that really needs to be explained. We're just going to go ahead and demo it and see how it goes. But you get the lifetime access. All features are Pro Plan updates. So basically anything that is the Pro Plan, you get updated, and then it's just how many minutes you're going to use. And it says if the plan name changes, the deal's mapped to whatever the Pro Plan is currently. And it creates short-term videos. You create your own clips, automatically find and turn key moments into binge-worthy clips. You resize the videos, export and share. You can add branding. You can import from YouTube, which is pretty cool. And if we look at the current pricing over at their website, so right here for the base plan, it's $89 for 180 minutes. So when right here for the 180 minutes, it's $30 a month, billed monthly, or $20 a month, billed annually. So basically for $30, 30, 60, 90, for 3 months, you're getting a lifetime and you never have to pay for it again, which is pretty cool. Right here, $49 a month, so that's $50 a month. It's going to be 360 minutes. That's their second tier. And the third tier is a Let's Talk, which you can't even buy it. You actually have to book a meeting with them, which is crazy. So let's go ahead and jump in and demo it. And like I said, you really don't see much in here. Just upload video and then you work on it from there. So we're going to go ahead and drag a video that I just did, a review. And I guess we can't drag it. Let's go ahead and click upload. And then we're going to either upload the video from YouTube or a file upload. And we also have some advanced settings here. Let's see what this is. Find me the parts. And maybe we can type in what we want. For video platform, what are we going to create it for? So we're going to say we're going to go ahead and do it for TikTok because we want it to be the 9:16 type videos that we create. Average clip duration is going to be 30 seconds. And video topics. Let me see, add topics and press enter. So I don't see anything drop down, so I guess you have to say what your keywords are and stuff. So let's go ahead and do a file upload. And so we can drag and drop your webinars, podcasts, and long videos here, or we can browse. So I'll just go ahead and drop my video right there in the copy box. So it says that it's going to use 22 minutes of my 180 minutes for the month. And then it's going to be 80.7. So we're going to go ahead and say upload. We have to tell it what kind of language we speak. We speak English. And so right here it tells us our video that we are uploading. It's going to go ahead. Wow, that's pretty quick. It uploaded it really quick. And then it says like it's processing. Let's see what it says when we click view. It's generating clips. It's going to take 5 to 10 minutes. And it uploads the video, extracts the audio, transcribes, generates clips, and finalizes clips. So far, it's about 20 seconds and it's 20% done. So we'll come back and let you know how long it took once it finishes. Wow. So instead of being like 5 to 10 minutes, it took 3 minutes for this to go ahead and process. And so we've got the video here on the side. Let me go ahead and move my face so you can see a little bit. On the side, we have our clips, and looks like it made them all 30 seconds long. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clips. And then it has a ranking over here. So this is the virality score and says how likely it is to go viral. We can export it. We can edit it. We can delete it. We can love it. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what it looks like. So we go ahead and click on this one here. And then let's go ahead and play it. So let's go ahead and jump in here and we'll go ahead and see what the pricing is regularly. For the Pro, which has 5 profiles, it's $15 a month. And with, oh, here we go. So we have Pro Plus is what we're broken up into. In the Pro Plus, it's $15 a month and you are unlimited post scheduling. You get all of the social media. So you're going to get Facebook, Instagram, you're going to get TikTok, you're going to get Reddit, you're going to get Pinterest, you're going to get Twitter and Google for your GMB, I believe. You're going to also get Facebook. It sounds good. It has the subtitles in the bottom, but you see here the subtitles are white and my background is also white. So let's go ahead and get in here and see if we can edit it and see what it says here. Let's see here. So we have the 30 seconds of text here on the right. We have our video here on the left. Let's go ahead and see if we can resize this. to 9:16. Let's see what it does. If we want to fit it, let's see what it does when we fit it. And then if we want to resize it and we want to crop it, let's see. So if we crop it, we can go ahead and put what sections we want to have it. We can move it around for the cropping, or we can have it fit. Okay. So let's see here. And then we have our audio clip that it took, which is here. And let's see, we can add text if we want. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so we can add text right here on the top. Okay, we can also add images. We can enhance the audio using AI and subtitles. Let's see if we could change the subtitles here. Let's see here. So let's see, bold font. Okay, we have that. How many words per line? Let's do advanced settings. Okay, so text style, text background color, text color. So right here, we can go ahead and change it. We can go ahead and put a hex code to get any kind that we want, or we can change the color here. Okay, so let's see right here. Let's go ahead and save that. Let's check it out. Okay.
So let's go ahead and jump in here, and we'll go ahead and see what the pricing is regularly for the Pro, which has 5 profiles.
That's really cool.
5 profiles. It's $15 a month, and with
so let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and resize to fit. Okay, and then we'll put our.
Oh, here we go. So we have Pro Plus is what we're broken up into. In the Pro Plus, it's $15 a month, and you are unlimited post scheduling. You get all of the social media. So you're going to get Facebook, Instagram, you're going to get TikTok, you're going to get Reddit, you're going to get Pinterest, you're going to get Twitter and Google.
So to be able to instantly move this around and be able to instantly edit it and put it wherever you want, that is pretty cool.
For your GMB, I believe. You're going to also get Facebook.
Yeah, I like that. That's actually really nice. Let's see what other advanced settings we have. Select text background color, select text style, and select border. What is the border? Oh, the border around the, oh, right there. That's cool. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So to be able to have a lifetime deal where we're able to get 10 clips from a video created instantly, that is pretty awesome. I love that, where we're able to instantly move it around, instantly go ahead and resize it. That's really cool. Let's go. Oh, there we go.
So let's go ahead and jump in here, and we'll go ahead and see what the pricing is regularly for the Pro, which has 5 profiles. 5 profiles. It's $15 a month, and with oh, here we go. So we have Pro Plus is what we're broken up into. In the Pro Plus, it's $15 a month. And
so with this one here, it's very simple. You literally just drag and drop. You have your clips ready-made, ready to go, and you can instantly resize them. So you can instantly resize it for Instagram and TikTok. Then you can have the square one for Facebook. And then you can have the rectangular ones if you want to do a minute and 1 second. You can have the 16:9 for YouTube. So that is really interesting. And for the pricing on this lifetime deal, I use another program right now, and I'm paying $30 a month for a similar option. This one here is definitely a no-brainer if you do a lot of editing, and you literally can go ahead and have these. Let's go ahead and export it. Let's see. So we went ahead and did our editing. Okay, so we have our editing here. We're going to go ahead and resize. Let's go ahead and resize like this. We'll apply, and then
so let's go ahead and jump.
We have our words here, and then we can go ahead and add a text at the top, like a little call-out text right here. And how are we going to write cool text goes here? And so that you can change the text, you can change the size. That's nice. And so we're going to go ahead and say this one here is lifetime deal promo. And let's see, let's go ahead and change it. Oh, that's nice. I like that right there. Lifetime deal promo. Very nice. Very nice. That is so cool. I really like this. The ease of being able to move this around. Let's see if we can incrementally. Look at that right there. Lifetime deal promo.
Up in here, and we'll go ahead and see what the pricing is regularly for the Pro, which has.
Yeah, this is a no-brainer. Come on now. You get to be able to cut these things up super quick. Only took 3 minutes for a 20-minute video. Gave me 10 clips that I can instantly upload. That's excellent. So like right here, let's go ahead and export. And you can export the MP4, the MP3, the SRT file, and the text file. So let's go ahead and start our export right there. We'll download that. That is awesome. So yeah, this right here is ChopCast. This gives you the ability to instantly make your reels, your short videos, to be able to get you extra traction on the social websites where you can get more eyes on your videos. And this gives you the opportunity to be able to pay one-time fee, like minimum $89, where I'm paying $30 a month for another program. This is definitely a no-brainer. I'm super glad that I picked up this ChopCast. If you want to go ahead and check it out, grab the link below, and you can test this out yourself.